Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and I work at Mississauga Library. Today we are going to be doing a fun art project that only needs a few supplies. You're going to be using some brightly colored chalk, black Bristol board, colored Bristol board, scissors, and a colored pen. So let's get started on creating our winter night scene. The first step is to draw the outline of houses and buildings using different heights. Once you have that drawn, you're going to take your scissors and carefully cut out your template. And as you can see here, I have different heights that will add some nice variety. Your next step is to take your brightly colored chalk and gently press along the template onto the black Bristol board. As you're going along, you can change the colors and always remember to press down firmly. This is messy, so I recommend having a tablecloth out and wearing an apron. Once you have the outline completed, our next step is to gently pick up the template and move it up slightly higher into the position where you'd like it to be, and repeat the process using your colored chalk. Once we have this all complete, we are going to gently take off our template and then shake off gently the Bristol board to get off the excess chalk. So our last step is to keep the template on and blend the chalk out, moving in an upwards motion. This will create your 3D effect. So now I have moved my template to my lower row of buildings, and I will repeat the same process, holding the template firmly in place and quickly brushing off the excess chalk. Now we are going to be removing the template and gently shake off any excess chalk, and using a white piece of chalk, add the windows to your buildings. And you're just stroking little dots of white chalk. And here we have our nighttime scene. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you had fun. To find out more about what's happening at the library, please check out our website and our Facebook page for upcoming programs. Bye!